Hey everybody, I was so excited when we were contacted and asked if we wanted to do a video of Jet's super robot suit. This is so cool and I am so glad they sent it to us so we could do a video. This thing is huge and it turns into a vehicle in 8 easy steps. And here's Jet on top of his robot suit. And watch this.
Here comes Jet, the fastest plane in the world.
Aw, it talks.
Jet, transform!
That is so awesome.
We're robot ready. These robot suits are really handy.
This is really neat. I can't wait to get it out of the box. And we also are going to be unboxing the smaller version. And this is Dizzy's Rescue Tow Truck. And it transforms into a robot, same as Jet, and then transforms into a tow truck. And you can see how much smaller this one is, but it's still really neat. And I can't wait to show it to you. And we'll also be doing a video of Jet, Donnie, and Paul real soon. So keep an eye out for those cool vehicles. Looks like Donnie has a bulldozer. This is going to be so much fun. Now let's get Jet out of the box. We've got the rowboat suit out of the box. Look how big it is. I can't wait to transform it into Jet's vehicle. Here is our Jet character, and we have to transform him into a bot so he can sit in here. See how he doesn't fit? Let's transform. First, to get Jet to transform, we have to pull this part out, and then we have to rotate it down, and these are his legs, and we're going to take his arms out. This. There's his hands. And the other hand. And Jet is a bot. To get him back into an airplane, you rotate this back, push these in, and then you can push his arms back in. Ta-da! He's an airplane. And now, whoops, gotta flip this over. There we go. He is a bot, and he's ready to get in his robot suit. Are you ready, Jet? We're ready. Let's go. We've got Jet all snapped in. Now let's transform into a vehicle.
Robot action! Things are looking up. Here comes Jet, the fastest plane in the world. Jet, transform!
Jet transform. So what we're going to do to get him to transform is we push his arms in, and then we are going to push his hands in. There's a little lever back here. And let's do the other side. Here we go. Push this arm in, pull the hand in, and then it's going to go like this, and like this. And we got to flip the wings out. Ta-doo! And we need a wing over here. There we go. Now we need to come down here to the legs, and they turn like this, and go back. And we're going to snap it in. Take the other one and snap it in. And then we're going to push the back together. Bring the ladder down. And ta-da! It rolls. And he's got a ladder here just like a fire truck. And he can help people out of tall buildings. And it slides back down.
We're robot ready.
He's robot ready in his awesome fire truck vehicle.
These robot suits are really handy. Things are looking up. Here comes Jet, the
transform. You heard him. So what we're going to do is pull the legs out. There we go. We got to flip them around. Yeah. And we got to bring the arms down. And pull up. Pull up. Now he's really tall again. Then we have to push these in. Pull out. And bring his hand out. He needs a hand. And we need a hand on the other side. Ta-da! Pull out. And he's back in his robot suit. Just like that.
We're robot ready.
We're robot ready.
These robot suits are really handy.
These robot suits are really handy.
Robot action!
Woohoo! Robot action! Woo! He's going everywhere.
Things are looking up.
Things are looking up.
Here comes Jet, the fastest plane in the world. Jet, transform!
Woohoo! Now let's check out this little Dizzy vehicle. Aw, it's so tiny. I love it. Let's see how she transforms. Dizzy has a little tow hook on the back that she can use to tow other vehicles who might be in trouble. And this bends back and forth. And here is the little Dizzy character. And she has arms so she can turn into a bot. And her legs pull back like this so she can be a helicopter. And here we go. I believe this is the 5-inch size. There we go. And down she goes. And we're back to a bot. And she snaps in right here. Like that. And when you want to turn her vehicle into a robot suit, it works about the same way as the big one. And her legs come down and they turn. See that? Turn like that. And we have legs. And here is her arm, her other arm. And they open up. And then you have to do the hands, just like on the big suit. And there we go. Ta-da! And we have a little Dizzy suit. On the back, we can fold down the hook. And we need to put Dizzy inside so she can control it. There we go. And she has transformed. Now the little ones don't talk or have any lights, but she has an awesome robot vehicle. Woohoo! Dizzy transform. And you close it back up. These snap together. And you turn. See how we're turning it? And then these go back. Let's move the hook out of the way. And we're going to slide. And these go back around. Close. That. And we're going to do the other side. And then these are going to snap in right there. And we're back to a vehicle. And we're going to put Dizzy in here. Ta-da! Simple as that. I can't wait to do another video and check out Paul and Donnie. It's going to be a lot of fun. But I really enjoyed showing you these cool toys. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.